Hi, I'm John with Aimco Manufacturing. Today we'll be looking at a vacuum gripping tool designed to lift two different types of batteries. For this customer's application, their crane is approximately 3 feet higher than this application, so the video will focus on the performance of the tool and the operations and functions of the safety features. To begin, lower the tool down into position and align the locator onto the corner of the battery. Once it is located, turn on the vacuum and engage the part. Once the first vacuum achieves 18 inches of mercury, the second vacuum cup is actuated and is safe to lift. Line the tool up and put the battery in the holster. Once the battery is safely set down, you can hold the common trigger and press vacuum off at the same time to release the battery. This tool is enabled with a feature called Safety Set Down, which prevents the part from dropping when it is not relieved. Lift the part up. Even with the common trigger pulled, the vacuum off is disabled until the weight of the battery is relieved onto a fixture. The tool is designed to pick the batteries from the front orientation, but they can be picked from the side as well. Line up the part, turn the vacuum on. Once the second cup is actuated, the battery is safe to lift.